Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at RPIIT Institute of Pharmacy at RPIIT Medical Campus, Plaza, Karnal. Today we will discuss about the various methods of powders mixing, the different type of techniques used in the mixing of powder and the formulation of powder. Powders are the ingredient which are finely divided solid particles. There are different techniques used for the preparation and mixing of the powders. Firstly is the spatulation, second is titration, then geometric dilution, then shifting, then tumbling. First, it is in the spatulation. Spatulation is a very basic technique and generally used in the laboratories or in class labs, experimental lab. It is used very in small quantity of powders when very small quantity of powders are required for mixing. In these methods, the different type of powders which are to be mixed together, put on a tile or a pestle mortar and mixed with the help of a spatula. With the help of spatula, the powders are mixed, then they are packed and dispensed. Next is the trituration. Trituration is the technique when the powder size, particle size are greater. In these methods, the mixing of powder is done also with the size reduction. In these methods, we used a pestle mortar and triturate it with mixing other substance in it, and then by using these methods, we also reduce the particle size of the solid particles, which also done the mixing. In this use, the pestle mortar is used. Then the powder is shifted through a sieve for removal of any excess high density, high particles, then dispensed. Next is the geometric dilution. Geometric dilution is very important mixing methods used for the powders mixing. This method is used when the drug content is very potent, the amount of drug is very low, and the amount of excipients are very high. Then this methods is used. Example, in case 10 mg of drug is mixed into up to 200 mg of diluents, then this method is used. This method is used when 10 mg of potent drug mixed with 10 mg of diluent. Then this 20 mg mixture is further diluted with 20 mg of diluent. Then this 40 mg mixture is become diluted with next 40 mg to become 80 mg. It is diluted up to when the complete amount of diluent is not mixed with the drugs, and then they are dispensed. It is a very uniform mixture and used in the industry on a very large scale. Then next is the shifting. In these shifting methods, we have mixed different type of powder and then shift through a sieve. A sieve which can pass the all small particles from lower to downwards by gravity force, and by using this method the mixing is also done and also the shifting. If any remaining particles remain in during shifting, they are further goes to trituration techniques and then also further shifted. Next is the tumbling. Tumbling is a methods, it is mainly called as an industrial methods. It is generally used in industry. Very large containers are used for this, and different type of powders which are to be mixed put in that container and mixed with the help of a electric motor, and then this type of mixing is done. This type of mixing is done on a large scale, but some methods may be used in the combination for the mixing of powders. Thank you.